Kyk hoe tel hy op. Hy gaan jy teen die dak vaskiet.
Ja.
OK, nee maar laat hy loskom maar.
Ja,
Ons net op ons
Hy gaan die skerm af.
Eileen, kom jy op gou hier asseblief. Of vat die skerm weg. Vat daai skerm weg. Dit as hy seëning. OK, nou gaan vat die skerm weg. Dit as hy uitvlieg, laat hy nie die skerm seermaak.
A family rooted deep, forced to flee. With faith in God they crossed to be free. Now thriving strong, where hope still grows. Proof that life can bloom wherever it goes.
This is the mattress that Sean and Rio gave us. Now I want to make a video about this that you can see how does it work. The mattress we are lying on are not very stiff. So this one, they get the extra stiff one. But it needs to lie for some time. When you open it, it needs to lie down so that it can settle. Yeah, sorry, I don't have enough space to move back. And I cannot even help Tinus to open this. Kom ek vat hom, trek kom hier. As hy. Ja, val ek op jou bed. Now this is the double bed for me and Eileen. We just open it here in Tina's room because there's more space here. And they even give this laptop for Eileen. Eileen's got a laptop now. She always wanted a laptop and now she have one. Tinus is setting it up for her. The packaging in general, the packaging we see here in America is really good quality. We even saw now some of the groceries they bought us. They bring us some meat also, and that meat packaging is really good quality.
Ons kon dit gebruik om op te sny.
O, het hulle nogal 'n dingetjie by hom om op te sny. Te sien. O, ja, kyk nou net. Okay. Kyk nou hoe lekker werk daai dingetjie van die foon. Kyk hoe tel hy op. Hy gaan jy teen die dak vaskiet.
Ja.
OK, nee maar laat hy loskom maar.
Ja,
Ons net op ons
Hy gaan die skerm afslaan.
Eileen, kom jy op gou hier asseblief.
Kan ons met van so kom.
Of vat die skerm weg. Vat daai skerm weg. Laat as hy seëning. OK, nou gaan vat die skerm weg. Dat as hy uitvlieg, laat hy nie die skerm seermaak.
Dis net hoe doen papa.
OK, so.
Maar ons net lomp.
OK.
Hey,
Hy vir jou sê jy's lomp. Begin nou 'n bietjie donker raak hier binne. Nee, daai ding kan nie breek nie, so. Hy kan maar oopskiet. Jy moet net oppas vir die laptop. Op my behoort die laptop te mis. Nou moet jy afklim daar.
Ons gaan die kant eers laat afgaan.
as ek net my voetie kan af. Dit gaat my rek.
Dis van wat ons doen.
Okay, dat is so nog. Maak ek weer dit.
Daar sê dit lyk na 'n lekker dik matras.
Dit lyk na die moeite werd.
So now they say it must lie for how long?
24 hours.
24 hours?
So môre.
Then it will be stiff. And how stiff does it feel now, Eileen?
Okay, this is the wrong side, but
Yeah, it's already nice, man.
it feels nice.
Ooh, we will sleep nice now. It will not feel like we're in a boat. We're sleeping on a boat.
En 'n handvat soms ook.
Ja. Ooh,
Dit lyk na goeie kwaliteit ook, né?
hierdie kant ook.
Ja,
Okay.
it's really good quality.
Jy moet net van hom oor die vat. Dan ek net sommer hier insit.
Yeah, okay, this is what the bed look like. Or not the bed, the mattress. And you've got all sorts of information here. Okay. Okay, this is the bed frame that Sean and Rio sent us. Sean and Rio. Oh, look here, there's something electrical. There's some electrical stuff inside here. My orde. It is.
Wow.
I don't know if that thing is right. As jy hier is, dan kan jy vir my afneem.
Thank you, Jan.
Wat? Kom ons kyk. This is the headpiece.
Wow. This is awesome. This is new. I didn't know they can ship it like this.
Ja, Eileen was
I was very
arguing with me.
skeptical.
I told her this is the bed.
I said, no, it
Fine.
can't be.
She said it's not. Yeah, I will have to. This is just, I will have to go upstairs and go fit it. There's a lot of parts here. I'm gonna take it up like this. I'm gonna leave it like, I have to make it a little bit lighter because Tinas is not here. Tinas is working. And I will have to carry it myself up the stairs. So I'm just gonna make it a little bit lighter.
Mannetjie, wat vind jy daai twee grys ook hier so sit? Laat dit nie. O, daar's meer. Okay, skus.
Yeah, I think will help for the weight.
Yes.
Okay.
So ek jou nie gehelp het en draai jy aan die een kant en ek aan die ander kant.
But you're not feeling good
It's okay.
from that vaccine. Yeah, this, I will unpack it upstairs, fit it, and then we will see. All right, chop. Nou kan jy maar afsit. Sit die lig aan.
Ek gaan.
En hy neem nou af, hoor. Hy het 'n vierkantige blokkie.
Look at the mess. It slipped out of the boxes. Now we have to carry it piece by piece.
Oud word is nie vir sissies.
Beslis nie. Sorry for the
Jy moet
washing.
nou nie val agter jou. Sop agter jou. Okay, what happened when we bring the box up? I already opened it, mos. And then all the stuff slipped out. So I had to bring this one by one up. Tinas is not here because he is working. Now what's happening here? Sean and Rio ask us what size mattress we need. So we give them a size and it was the wrong size. So this bed is what they buy for all the people who's coming here. They do get, if it's a double bed, it's like this one. It's two single beds that bolt together. And when Sean and Rio see this, they say no. They will buy us a bed with a head. Wat noem jy headstuk?
Headrest.
A bed with a headrest. So this is what they bought us, and it came now, and I will assemble it now here.
We found your channel late one.
This mattress and base got the whole history. At first, Sean and Rio asked us about the mattress we have. So we said, no, it's too soft for us. So they said, no, they will send us a firm mattress. We must just give them the sizes. We gave them the sizes, and when it came here, the size was wrong. The mattress was too small for the base. So they say no. They will send us a proper base. And then when the base come here, we assemble it, and that is what you are seeing here. I decided to make a video that you can see how the mattresses that comes here in America, how it was packed, how it can go open, how it must expand, and then also that it is possible to put the base together. In this video, we had the vaccines in the arms the previous day, and on this day, we were really sick. I did not have power. I was so tired, and Eileen was even lying in bed on a stage. But yeah, the Roy Mire was biting, and I couldn't let this bed just lie there in his box. And we tackled it. And it was quite a struggle, but we had it on. And then that night we could have sleep on it. I hope you're going to enjoy it.
Show just honest things you let us know. Through the highs and through the change, you made the unknown feel less strange. You gave us courage, made it clear, if we try, we can get there. Happy foreigners, showing us the way, step by step, day by day. Genuine hearts, real and true. We believe because of you. Happy foreigners, helping us see a life of hope and being free. You inspire thousands to go and do without feeling like we're owed it to. You didn't shout, you kept true. You stayed humble, stayed the same. And in that truth, we found our start. A little fire in every heart. Happy foreigners, this is our song, for giving us the strength to move on. For every word and all you do, we just want to say thank you. Happy foreigners, clear and true. The world feels closer because of you. Thank you. happy foreigners.
Let me show you now. It's so nice. Here it tells you S4. And there is spare parts. So you even have a little bit of spare. And then on the paper, on here, you have, look there, D1, N. Let's see, S3, R1, G1. So it's really very nice explainable, this. You just take a little bit of time to get all the stuff, all the parts together.
I came here with a dream and a prayer. Didn't know how, didn't know where. Just a road and a little bit of faith, and a hope that wouldn't break. Same good Lord, different land. Same old Bible in my hand. Step by step, He made a way, brought me here to stay. I'm proudly American. I stand and I say, by the grace of God, He made a way from my past to a brand new plan. Now I know just who I am. I'm proudly American. There were nights I almost turned around. Didn't think my feet would hold this ground, but His light kept shining through, showed me what He can do. I'm proudly American. I stand and I say, by the grace of God, He made a way from my past to a brand new plan. Now I know just who I am. I'm proudly American. Not by luck, not by chance, every step was in His hands. I'm proudly American. I stand and I say, by the grace of God, He made a way. Saved my soul, gave me a stand, put a future in my hands. I'm proudly American. Yeah, I stand and I say, proudly American. Proudly American. Proudly American. found your channel late one night. Simple words that felt so right. You shared your road, you told it true. Now we see what we can do. No big talk, just who you are. Friendly smiles and so much blessings. Happy foreigners, showing us the way. Step by step, day by day. Genuine hearts, real and true. We believe because of you. Happy foreigners, helping us see a life of hope and being free. You inspire thousands to go and do without feeling like we're owed it to. No pretending, no big show, just honest things you let us know. Through the highs and through the change, you made the unknown feel less strange. You gave us courage, made it clear. If we try, we can get there. Happy foreigners, showing us the way. Step by step, day by day. Genuine hearts, real and true. We believe because of you. Happy foreigners, helping us see a life of hope and being free. You inspire thousands to go and do without feeling like we're owed it to. You didn't shout, you kept true. You stayed humble, stayed the same. And in that truth, we found our start. A little fire in every heart. Happy foreigners, this is our song, for giving us the strength to move on. For every word and all you do, we just want to say thank you. Happy foreigners, clear and true. The world feels closer because of you. Thank you. Happy foreigners. I came here with a dream and a prayer. Didn't know how, didn't know where. Just a road and a little bit of faith, and a hope that wouldn't break. Same good Lord, different land. Same old Bible in my hand. Step by step, He made a way, brought me here to stay. I'm proudly American. I stand and I say, by the grace of God, He made a way from my past to a brand new plan. Now I know just who I am. I'm proudly American. There were nights I almost turned around. Didn't think my feet would hold this ground, but His light kept shining through, showed me what He can do. I'm proudly American. I stand and I say, by the grace of God, He made a way from my past to a brand new plan. Now I know just who I am. I'm proudly American. Not by luck, not by chance. Every step was in His hands. I'm proudly American. I stand and I say, by the grace of God, He made a way.
So we are sitting a lot of times here. Eileen is on her laptop and she can even plug it in there if she needs to. And then we have our phones close by here, and when we talk to our family or friends on the phones, or when we do some comments, this is working very nice for us. So this headset is a real blessing for us. Okay, here is just a little bit of an update about how it's going with Sadie's process to be able to come through here. So I talked to their parents. If you want to know the process of how to bring animals over from South Africa, go to Red, White and Blue Refugees YouTube channel. You will see it on every video I post. You will see it in the description. There's a few YouTube channels that is talking about the refugee program and who is supporting it. And so I put it in the description of every video. So just go look there. And then when you have some questions about how to bring animals over and you want more detail, then you can go to Red, White and Blue Refugees website. Click on that. Get their email address there in their description. And then you can email them and ask them for more information. Now, the information they gave me, how it's going, what is the process with Sadie, is the following. I put it on here. She done her first set of vaccinations. She already done it. She's done the rabies. She done 15-digit microchip. I don't know what this all means. and she's done the permit in Pretoria. All I know is these things are taking time. It's really time to do it. Take time. Now she must still do for teeth cleaning, vaccinations, and you can read on the descriptions I put on here. As I understand, she already done most of the stuff she can do now beforehand. The other stuff must happen when they got dates and when they must come over. Then the other things must happen. On their website, in the playlist, on every video, on the end of the video of the refugee playlist they have in their channel. On every video, they will put the newest video as they put it out. They will put the progress of the fundraising. How many people, how many funds they have raised. So I just put one sample here from the latest up until now, how the fundraising is working. So feel free when you I put the link in my description on this video, and also I pinned a comment where you can click on the link, and there you have different kind of options how to support the fundraising program for Sadie to come. So yeah, thank you for all your support, and see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.
Meet Sadie, our tiny teacup Yorkie with a big personality. She lives for treats, her playtime, and being right by our side. We're trying to bring her with us to the USA, and any support, whether it's a donation or even just a prayer, would really mean everything to us. If you'd like to help or learn more, please click the link in the description. And thank you so much, Happy Foreigners, for supporting us through this journey.